But first, here's a look at Elsa. Of course, all eyes on this system. That could be a player in our forecast heading into early next week, especially Tuesday and possibly even into Wednesday as well. Okay, so ragged-looking system, very disorganized, but impacting the islands right there as it moves away from Haiti. There's Jamaica right there, and it's causing a lot of wind and rain in some of these areas. So the latest from the Hurricane Center still has it as a tropical storm. Top winds at 65, and it has slowed down significantly. So this thing's not racing anymore, kind of now moving at a typical pace that you'd expect. Pressure has risen a little bit, but still what we'll be watching next couple of hours really will be how this storm negotiates the island here. This is Cuba, of course, mountainous terrain, so this will probably stay on land. We know land interaction typically disrupts systems itself, and that's basically what we're expecting with this. At some point tomorrow morning or overnight tonight, it's going to reemerge into the Florida Straits or Gulf of Mexico, and then still a decent cone here, but you'll notice southeast Florida now out of the cone. What we're watching here is more of a westerly track, a lot of model consensus here. Now, the strength of the storm, still a lot of questions here. I mean, some models still basically dissipate this thing. I don't necessarily buy that yet. Instead, we're going with the model trends that keep the storm basically off the coast of Florida. And we know what that means. That would put us on the east side. That typically means more active weather for us. So Elsa headlines here, just to kind of break it down for you, likely stays a weak storm near the Florida coast. Now, still a lot of uncertainty as to exactly where the center of the storm is and will be, so that's something we still have to watch. But 2 days out, I want to try to get you as much details as we can. The timing here, at least some impacts as early as Tuesday, and the threats we're looking at here are up to tropical storm force gusts. That means gusts up to about 39 or 40 miles per hour, especially near the coast. If we're talking about a track offshore, of course, a track about 50 miles offshore will make a big difference, and then as much as 2 to 4 inches of rain as we go through time. So what's the probability that we get some tropical storm force winds out of this? Well, it's not very high. Mainly the Keys, where we've got tropical storm watches in place. Closer to our side, maybe 25%, still something we're watching.